Sometimes I remember a story about a man that was in church one Sunday. He felt good in Christ, so he went to the altar to pray. He felt the urge to kneel down to pray, so he did. As soon as his knees touched the floor of the church, a fellow church member flew up out of his seat and started to shout.
"How dare you kneel down on the dirty floor in my good pants? Me help you out and lend you me pants, and this is how you repay my kindness."
By this time the entire church heard the commotion and the man shamed like dog. Another church member heard everything and felt so bad for the poor man. He approached him and extended some kind words to him to make him feel better. It worked. The man ended his friendship with the church member who disgraced him and started to hang out more with this new church member who is a better friend to him. The following Sunday, the man felt good in the Lord and went to the altar. He felt the urge to get on his knees to pray but remembered what happened the last time, so he didn't. Suddenly, he heard his new friend shouting,
"Don't feel shy. Kneel down in my pants. I don't have a problem. It's my pants that I lend you. Kneel down if you want. I won't feel away like some people. Are my pants, and you have my permission."
What's the moral of the story? Comment below. Follow Jamaican True Stories on YouTube. Link in bio.